Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Toyota Sequoia rear latch. First, you'll need to carefully diagnose the problem. Start by checking if the latch is simply stuck or if a component is physically broken. Next, investigate any electrical issues that might prevent the latch from releasing. Finally, visually inspect the wiring harness for any signs of damage or corrosion. This initial assessment is crucial for a successful repair. Once you've diagnosed a mechanical issue, the repair often involves a few key steps. Begin by thoroughly lubricating all moving parts within the latch mechanism using a high-quality silicone spray. Sometimes, simply adjusting the striker plate can resolve alignment problems. If parts are visibly worn or broken, such as springs or levers, you'll need to replace those specific components to restore full functionality. If your diagnosis points to an electrical problem, focus on these areas. First, test the actuator motor to ensure it's receiving power and operating correctly. Next, verify that the entire latch assembly is receiving a consistent power supply. Finally, inspect and replace any faulty switches, such as the release button, or any damaged wiring that could be interrupting the circuit. These steps should help restore electrical operation. After completing your repairs, it's essential to thoroughly test the latch. Perform multiple open and close cycles to ensure it operates smoothly and consistently every time. For prevention, regularly clean the mechanism and apply a suitable lubricant to keep it working optimally. This simple maintenance can prevent future issues. Also, remember to check the description below for links to tools, parts, and other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.